Now, after days of high-pitched political campaign in West Bengal, the stage is all set for Bengal's biggest political crash in Nandigram. In just 24 hours from now, Nandigram will go to polls in the second phase of elections, sealing the fate of incumbent Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her opponent Suvendu Adhikari of the BJP. Mamata and Suvendu both are campaigning in Nandigram. On the last day of the campaign, the high-profile constituency saw a plethora of big leaders out on the streets in a last-ditch effort to woo voters of Nandigram. During 2016 Nandigram Assembly elections, in fact, TMC candidate Suvendu Adhikari had garnered 67% of the vote share at that point in time, while the BJP came third after left as it won 5% votes.
कितना कॉन्फिडेंट है, कितना कॉन्फिडेंट है।
आपकी पार्टी के कुछ नेता ज्वाइन किए बीजेपी को, आप इसको कैसे देख रहे हैं?
ये चुनाव का टाइम में होता है, कोई कोई पार्टी को लीडर को मालूम होता है कि हमको टिकट नहीं मिलेगा, टिकट नहीं मिलने वाला है। और बीजेपी तो अभी क्या किया, जिसका कोई अगर कोई करप्शन है तो वो लोगों का है, इसी के लिए वो बाँचने के लिए बीजेपी का पार्टी का गया कि वो लोग तो डायरेक्ट फोन करके डराता है ना, उसी के लिए थ्रेट के लिए 2-4 गया है। जो गया है हमारे लिए अच्छा है, हम सफेद हो गया है, बीजेपी वॉशिंग मशीन में सफेद हुआ है लेकिन बहुत काला हुआ है, काला मुख और काला हुआ है।
ये देश का बात सोचता है, तृणमूल ममता और कुछ का साथ भतीजा का विकास।
पर जिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट से लीडर्स थे वहां पे उसको काउंटर करने के लिए उनकी एब्सेंस की कमी आपको
नहीं,
ना
कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट से गया उसका साथ 2-3 एमएलए भी नहीं गया। सपोज 19 एमएलए इज देयर, 17 एमएलए इज देयर, नहीं है। इतना सस्ता नहीं है बाबू।
आपने तय किया कि आप नंदीग्राम में ममता बनर्जी को चैलेंज दे रहे हैं, कितने कॉन्फिडेंट है इस वक्त?
वो मेरा जमीन है, पूरा जमीन का साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, ये कोई चैलेंज नहीं है। चुनाव होगा, चुनाव में भाजपा।
Now let's take you through scenarios of Mamata Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari currently in Nandigram. Both Mamata and TMC win, then it's big vindication here of the TMC Supremo stand. Mamata Banerjee's stature in fact rises at the national level as well. Going over scenario 2, Mamata wins but TMC loses. Then Mamata will lose power as Bengal's Chief Minister. Didi will have to make do with leader of opposition's post. And then you have scenario 3, where we're looking at, if at all, TMC wins, but Mamata Banerjee loses, then it would mean a big personal blow to Mamata Banerjee. TMC may still elect Mamata Banerjee as the Chief Minister, but Mamata will need to win polls again in 6 months' time. And then you have scenario 4, where both Mamata Banerjee and the TMC lose. It's a massive boost for the BJP as well as Suvendu Adhikari. Suvendu Adhikari may just emerge as the giant killer, may also play a key role in the BJP government, possibly even be the chief ministerial face for the BJP in West Bengal. All right, Nandigram seat now the hot spot as West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is going to be fighting with her former aide, now BJP candidate Suvendu Adhikari. It's almost an all or nothing fight. Let me quickly cut across to Indrajit Kundu joining us, reporting live. Indrajit, if you're looking at the situation currently in Nandigram, it appears that the BJP and the TMC have put all their focus and their effort on Nandigram alone. What does the pulse really look like as you catch on ground?
Well, it's a highly surcharged atmosphere here in Nandigram and quite polarized as well, polarized on religious lines. There has been quite a communal campaign that we've seen over the past few days in Nandigram. And both sides, of course, they're saying that they are confident that they will pull it through. But what we are, seeing on the ground, it's going to be a very, very close contest. And the apprehension is that because it's such a surcharged atmosphere on the ground, there might be escalation of violence. That's, of course, the fear. And therefore, the Election Commission does not want to take any chance. Massive amounts of troops have been deployed. Central forces have been deployed. In fact, since yesterday night, what we saw, of course, is that at the fag end of campaigning, when campaigning ended, Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee roamed around from one area to the other in interiors of Nandigram. And she also tried meeting some of her party workers, supporters, whom she alleged were being threatened by the BJP. In fact, when she went to Balarampur area in Nandigram yesterday to meet one such family, she was greeted by Jai Shri Ram slogans and demonstrations by BJP supporters. Mamata Banerjee, of course, alleged that the Home Minister Amit Shah was himself in Nandigram and he was trying to, pressurize the central forces to threaten and intimidate Trinamool Congress workers so that they do not come out and vote. So charge and countercharge flowing thick and fast here in Nandigram just about 24 hours before the big election takes place tomorrow morning.
Right, Indrajit, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. We do know that Nandigram is the hot seat and it seems like all eyes are on that particular constituency, a make or break for Mamata Banerjee indeed.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.